Hey guys, CMZ Wrestling back with another video. Today we're going to be looking up the ringside collectibles. I'm sorry there's a Johnny in the background. My brother's just watching videos. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what's this? No, who cares? We got Walter. Let's see that figure. That's an exclusive. Okay, I know a lot of guys saw that, but look at that. That's a nice United Kingdom Championship. I don't really like the face. Like, it kind of looks weird. What's wrong with these pants down here, over here? Or the short, or the socks, I don't know what to call them. Oh, let's see what this is. Elite 84. Okay, it's coming out. So they got a Jeff Hardy. They didn't show the figure yet. Ooh, nice Garza. That looks nice. I like the attire. A Sheamus. Murphy, finally. They gave us a new Murphy. Rhea Ripley. I'm not going to get her, so. You like the girls. You can get her, but I don't care. Okay, Roman Reigns. Let's see what that is, but. I'm going to see if I can get this Murphy, but I'm never going to wear the Messiah shirt. Try ask it for Christmas. Okay, how do I get back? Oh, there's a hat on the ringside collectibles. Oh, yeah. I said to go ringside. They should be having Christmas sales, I think. I don't know. Who knows? I think they had the Halloween sale. Who knows? Ooh, NXT figures over here. But we'll look at that if I have time at the end. Ooh. 2-pack. The Elite 2-pack. Blood and Guts figure. This is a pretty good Cody, I mean. But they give him the same design for every figure. Can you give us something new? Same as Dusty. I know it's like kind of bloodish and like all the face paint's off like you see there, but like why do they give us the same figure? I mean, up here in the hair there might be like a little white, but like why do they do that? Let's check out the holiday sale. Oh my god, sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's see what they got. Oh my god. Why won't they go down? Oh yeah, I forgot. I don't know what's happening. It's not working. Okay, let's see what else they got. If you didn't check out Elite 84, you should. Otis. Well, we'll have guys tell that. I don't really know if I care. Sorry. Okay, guys, so, ooh, the Roderick Strong. There's a new Roderick. Please be oh, this is basics. Got Seth Rollins last year's Survivor Series gear. Got Kevin Owens. But you have to make that stomach bigger, so. We got another Sheamus. Pretty nice basic, but I have a better one. Oh, Roderick Strong. This is the one I've been waiting for. Is this the War Games gear? I think from like last year. I don't know. We got. Who cares? Ooh, there's a Chase variant, but I don't really like it. So who cares? Let's go to the holiday sale. See what they got from good deals. I think they're supposed to have good deals. Ooh, that Goldberg you can get for $23. They're showing out. I don't really care about the girl. Oh, you got Edge. New Edge, that's pretty cool. Andrade. Wow. It's pretty good at time. Take that face scan off. The Fiend, that's the best figure they're gonna release. But I want one with the tongue sticking out. Bobby Lashley, that's pretty cool. I already have the spray wipe, so I don't really need it. I got, Murphy. I don't know. Let's see what else good stuff they got. Oh, the Elite John Morrison. I just got this recently, my newest figure. That Roman Reigns, top picks. All the top picks Roman Reigns are not very good. Oh my god, this is an amazing Ricochet. Awesome. Nice gear, but give us an God Elite. See, you got the AEW Championship. Why is UFC on it? It's not WWE. And AEW. Oh, we got Braun Strowman, top picks, I think that is. Oh, Pete Dunne. What's him in this Pat McAfee stuff? Drew McIntyre. Oh, and that's it. Let me get to the new one. Let's get to the beginning. Get it Ringside Collectibles. Okay, so let's see what else. There's good stuff. Is there any good stuff? Is there? Okay. Oh no. Which one should you guys check out? Something was just got released. Okay, now I'm at the bottom. I'm just gonna search. Well, let's check out some sets. What do we have here? Oh, Ultimate Edition! These Ultimate Edition figures have been great. You get Hollywood Hogan. Finally, after 2 years, you get the NWO style. And the Best Fiend. I want the one sticking out, but I just don't really like the, Wait, what Ultimate Editions? I don't really like them. So the Fiend, it looks awesome. Look at that. Well, I like that help sculpt. Those are some nice arms, but they're basically kind of the same. But I like those kind of better. I'm sorry about that. We got the jacket, I think that is. But look at this figure. It's amazing. But it looks like it has the Otis body. Let's get to the next one. I think I showed you the NWO. I did. Okay, I'm gonna do this. WrestleMania 37 series. Cody. Oh, this one. It's a recently set. Keith Lee. Finn Balor. This is the best Finn Balor they released. And Keith Lee. Oh my god. John Morrison, the best, but you gotta take that beard off. Alexa, who cares? Nice women's style. Gronk. Nice screaming head sculpt. I would like that figure. I'm gonna chase Keith Lee, Jerry. See, what series do you want me to do? See, 84, 70s now. I'm gonna see a lot of series. Oh, Elite 72. Oh my! This is an old set, but look at this. Velveteen Dream, and it's I'm gonna call that like Toy Story attire. Sorry. Look at that. Let's see this. Look at that attire. Oh, there's the sunglasses. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Got the North American title. I saw this once, but I picked like EJ or someone over it. I don't know if I got a figure. See, 84, 81. Let's see. I think this is all. I'm gonna go to Elite 373. I'm just gonna check out all these sets. Oh my, I love this black. You have to get that. All of this is a black. Isn't there supposed to be a Metal League in the Kairi Sane? Okay, that's weird. For Natalia. Oh, I have to check out this AJ. Oh, let's get this in. Look at that. Look at that attire, man. I mean, like, look at that. That's amazing. Look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. Dad, I don't know how to post this on my channel. Look at that. No. Can I call you and you can show me? Sorry about that, guys. Let's check out 75. Oh, that Pete Dunne I saw earlier. Rose, and this is so weird. I'm gonna go to the 80s now. 84. Glass Garza. Dad. Oh, the Edge. That's nice. I'm gonna get this. No, I can't. Because I don't have $20. It's Elite 80. Let's check Elite 80. Oh, this is. I remember this set now. I want this, Daniel. I need it. Need. Okay, so here he is. But the head sculpt, good body. But look at the head sculpt. It looks something weird about it. It's so weird. So yeah. I'm gonna go to 82, then 81, and then we're gonna be done for today. Keith Lee Balor. Dad. Oh, sorry. Gronk. Another Keith Lee. I showed you that before. Oh, I showed you the set. I showed you that. Check out the 81. Oh, I remember this now. I remember all of this. The Shinsuke, this was their best Shinsuke. I mean their best. Look at that attire. That looks so good. The head sculpt, I'm in the middle. It's a big head sculpt. But like, look at that to the neck. It's so weird. I haven't even seen that. Let's go to our next figure in this. I don't know how. Okay. Rock. Oh, Street Profits. I have to show you. I have to show you this. Let's pick this up before it's all gone. Angelo, an amazing attire, amazing head. That's all I have to say. An amazing Street Profit. What's up with these hands? And this one. I only like those hands. Okay, so, but those look like Keith Lee hands. I don't even know what I just said. But I don't know what I mean about that. Let's go to the next guy. Martes the Lord. Martes, 4 guys. This is amazing. The king hat. It's the king hat. He has amazing pants. Awesome. Those in the shirt. That's all I have to say about that. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on the next video. Well, I don't know. I don't really film some. That's my fault. Bye.